Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to turn off LinkedIn dark mode on your PC after the latest update. If you're ready to bring back the classic light look to your LinkedIn profile, just follow these simple steps. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to LinkedIn's official website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll find your profile picture or the Me icon. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the main settings page, where you can control all aspects of your LinkedIn experience. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of categories. Click on Account Preferences. This section allows you to customize how LinkedIn looks and feels for you. Now, scroll down until you find the Dark Mode option. Click on it to open the Dark Mode settings. Here, you'll see a few different choices for how LinkedIn displays its theme. To turn off dark mode completely, select the option labeled Always Off. This will immediately switch your LinkedIn interface back to the standard light mode. After you select Always Off, your changes will be saved automatically. You don't need to refresh the page or restart your browser. LinkedIn will update the appearance right away. If you ever want to switch back to dark mode in the future, just follow these same steps and choose the option that suits you best. That's all there is to it. You've successfully turned off dark mode on LinkedIn using the latest update. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new LinkedIn look.